Alright, composite area of the following shapes. So when you have a composite figure, you need to break the shape into regular shapes. So I have this figure. This rectangle is 5 by 3. Multiply those together and you'll get 15. For this one, this whole thing is 6, and you take out this 3, that leaves me with 3 by 2. When you multiply those together, that is 6. And 15 plus 6 is 21 square feet. For this shape, we're going to cut a rectangle and a triangle. The rectangle is 14 by 12. 14 times 12 is 168. The triangle has a height of 12 and a base of 22 minus 14, which is 8. 12 times 8 is 96. Because it's a triangle, we have to divide by 2, and that gives me an area of 48. Add the two areas together, and you get 216 centimeters squared. Alright, for this one, we have this rectangle that's 6 by 12, and that is 72. Then we have the semicircle. The semicircle has a diameter of 6. So we want to use the radius. Half of 6 is 3. Area equals 3.14 times 3 squared, which is 28.26. I only have half of a circle, so I have to divide this area by 2, and that gives me 14.13. Add this area with the rectangle, and you'll get an area of 86.13 square centimeters. Alright, for this shape I have a semicircle, a rectangle, and a triangle. So this rectangle is 14 by 20. 14 times 20 is 280. The triangle has a height of 14 and a base of 32 minus 20, which leaves me with 12. 14 times 12 is 168, and because it's a triangle, we divide by 2. So this is 84. And then I have a semicircle with a diameter of 20. So I'm going to take half of that for my radius. So my radius is 10. Area equals 3.14 times the radius squared. 3.14 times 10 squared is 314. 314 is the area of a circle with a diameter of 20, or a radius of 10. I only have half of a circle, so I'm going to divide that by 2 and get 157. And when I add them all together, 157 plus 84 plus 280 is 521 millimeters squared. The area of this composite figure, I have a rectangle and two semicircles with the same dimension, which means that I basically have a rectangle and a circle. So my rectangle is 20 times 10, which is 200. My semicircle has a diameter of 10, which means it has a radius of 5 on both of these circles. So area equals 3.14 times the radius squared. 3.14 times 5 squared is 78.5. Because I have two semicircles with the same dimension, I do not have to divide this by 2. I can keep that number and just add the 200, and that's 278.5 square feet. The distance around a circle is the circumference. The distance from one end of the circle to the other end, passing through the center, is the diameter. The distance from the center of the circle to one point on the circle is the radius. The radius is half of the diameter. The sum of all the faces of a three-dimensional figure is surface area. The number of shapes on a triangular prism. A triangular prism has two triangles and three rectangles. And remember, just as a review, the two different formulas for circles: circumference equals pi times the diameter, area equals pi times the radius squared.